This is Mr. Smith. He manages a company that is too big for a manual process. They need software. The developers said they could make an application in a few days. But days became months. Developers came and went, each one starting from scratch with new technology. 2 years have passed and nothing of use has been provided. Desperate, Mr. Smith decides to call a sales representative from Success ERP. He will install a reputable software package that is production ready. And a PHP agency will make the web shop. The implementation was not as smooth as expected, and connecting the applications together was impossible. The production software was heavyweight and full of features, but not specifically the ones we needed. The web was pretty, but not smart enough to support our shop. Back at the crisis room, Mr. Smith struggles to see a way forward. He tried building software, but this took forever, was expensive, and produced no usable software. He tried buying a standard solution, but this didn't cover all the necessary functionality, and they didn't integrate with each other. But there is a third way. Signum Framework. Signum Framework applications are built using common tools, like C#, TypeScript, and React, so devs have full control. Signum Framework solves a lot of technical problems, like validation, localization, persistence, searching data, etc. In addition to this, Signum Extensions provides more than 20 reusable modules that solve the common needs of business applications. So, you get the best of both worlds, productivity and control. Let's see. Sales team will be able to create its own reports in Word or PowerPoint and automate emails. For accounting, we would develop our own invoicing system, but we can still use the scheduler module to send them monthly. Human resources will be able to create SMS templates and use the powerful authorization system. We would need to build a stock module for production, and we will use Predictor to estimate the next month's sales using deep learning. Developers will love the profiler, the long-running processes, and the BPM and workflow. Finally, management will get custom dashboards with interactive charts that can be generated for any table in seconds without a line of SQL. Modularity is nothing new. But Signum is different from NPM or Nugget. Each module has its own database tables, entities, business logic, and user interface. No glue code is needed, just start and use. The complete stack is integrated, so when the entities change, database migrations are created automatically, and the business logic, tests, or even the client-side UI get compile time errors, minimizing bugs in production. Signum Framework is 10 years old, but always stays up to date with technology, keeping devs happy. The architecture of Signum Framework is homogeneous, making it easy to move developers to different projects, or train new ones when they leave. These are the main reasons we're sure Signum Framework is the best way to build business applications.